So I had a customer say to me, I wonder why my pressure washer's not starting. It's brand new. I never used it. Yeah. Whenever I hear somebody say I never used it, that's what really concerns me. Look at that. You see that brown stuff? That brown shit right there? That's on the bottom. That's rusty water. All that other stuff, that clear stuff, or that yellowish stuff, that's gasoline. Huh? Look at that. Alright? Store your power equipment properly, fellas. Alright? That whole gas tank is garbage. Well, I managed to clean it out though. I did a little vinegar bath and it was okay actually. Alright? I saved this one. But still, look at that. Alright. I'm out.